Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2012 Harley-Davidson TRIGLIDE Ultra Classic with 26,034 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and has been upgraded with 14-inch handlebars, aftermarket grips, front axle caps, and a rear bumper. It comes equipped with a multifunction 4-speaker stereo system, cruise control, reverse, CB intercom connections, and a security system with a fob. The Electroglide has long been standard in Grand Touring bikes, and the TRIGLIDE Ultra Classic is no exception, providing the same experience on 3 wheels. It's powered by Harley's time-tested 103 cubic inch twin-cam motor that puts in even 100 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. With plenty of storage, gracious accommodations, and sleek vivid black paint set to finish things off, this Trike is ready for the road. This vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and comes with a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.